Hello everybody and welcome to another Dashcam video. We start this one off on the A46 just outside of Coventry, and this is one for you classic car enthusiasts.
Oh, you fighter, that is nice.
Now you know the routine by now. I've absolutely no idea on make or models of cars, so if you know what that one was, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you. Now, if you've seen my driving video from the start of August, you will know that I was going to Cardiff. And in this clip, we are just outside the city centre, and we're looking at that Just Eat bike up in front of us. You'll notice that there's also a red traffic light up ahead. Does a rider stop? No, don't be silly. I'm going to speed the video up now because in a sec you're going to see a pedestrian that also identifies as a Just Eat bike and doesn't know what red lights mean.
For our special subscribers, and then we're back with some David Bowie. He had 4
That's across the road when the lights go
this
green.
week in 1973.
Oh, people.
One of the big tracks.
Oh,
People. No more dual action. It takes the power and strength.
We're not that further on from the previous clip, and guess what? We've got ourselves another Just Eat bike who doesn't know what red lights mean.
Yeah, red lights don't apply to Just Eat bikers, do they?
no, even the speed limit.
One for you emergency vehicle enthusiasts, and it's Cardiff's finest responding.
Yeah, this way. Shit. Cat stuck up a tree.
Yeah,
I didn't let you in, you cheeky bastard.
yeah, it is. Yeah,
Don't lift here, yeah?
yeah. Yeah, and then it's just a big straight road called Central Link. Well, it's a bridge actually.
We're back in Hinckley now, and we have another one for you classic car enthusiasts. Keep watching on the left hand side.
Oh, hello.
Now, I've seen that American Highway Patrol car around a few times, but I've never actually got it on camera, until now that is. We've just joined the M1 from the M69, and we have a bully boy in a lorry. Just how close to the van though does that lorry driver want to get?
What? Hey man, how close want to get to him? Yeah, you get any close to that geezer, you're going to need a condom.
Now let me just stress that I am not anti-lorry in any shape or form. In fact, those that know me will know I'm just as content photographing lorries as I am any other forms of transport. We're still on the M1 in this clip. In fact, we're more or less opposite to where we were in the previous clip. And we're looking at that blue lorry that's just come out of Leicester Forest East service station. Now I don't think he should be that far over to the left hand side. Just an abnormal load here on the M69. Now, in case anyone wants to know why I didn't move back over after overtaking the white pickup truck thingy, it's because you'll see that the dump truck is quite wide, and I wanted to give some extra space before moving back over to lane 2. We're on the A5 in this clip, and we have one for you classic car enthusiasts. Just coming into Burbage on the B4109, and there's another one for you classic car enthusiasts. And another one for you classic car enthusiasts. This time it's the Ashby Road in Hinckley.
That is sweet.
This clip brings a whole new meaning to the term moving house. Keep watch on the right hand side.
Yeah, that's my house there.
This is Cloudesley Bush Lane, running between Wolvie and Lutterworth, and we have someone who likes to overtake on a blind corner.
Yeah, overtaking a blind corner, dickhead. Nice one.
We have ourselves another overtaker. Now, he doesn't actually do anything wrong here. The road is pretty straight and open, but they do seem to take the time to pull back over to the correct side of the road, with traffic coming the other way especially.
3, the UK's most listened to commercial radio station. A dull but dry afternoon today, staying warm though with highs of 21 degrees Celsius. That's the latest.
We have ourselves a miracle in this clip. We're in Hinckley town centre and we have ourselves a bike rider that actually stops at a red traffic light. We're at Dodwell's Island on the A5 and we have our usual diet of red light runners. Keep an eye on the Asda delivery van especially. He definitely didn't have a green light coming from Coventry Road and they more or less blocked the junction. We're at the A5 M69 junction and we're looking at the blue car in front of us. This lane that we're in now is for the M69 southbound, but they don't want the M69 southbound. Instead they want the A5 southbound, but they're too special to wait in the queue that is forming for the A5.
Queen, 18 points. That's so not how you spell it, but I'll let you off. My turn.
Yeah, wanker, ain't
Into
ya?
the sharing bar that goes with any evening. Kit Kat share.
Now at the time of this video I would say this is the cheekiest bugger I have seen all year. We're on the Woolsgrove Triangle and Crosspoint Business Park in Coventry. And you'll see up ahead a black car pulls out to overtake a line of traffic which has formed behind a bus. Now unfortunately it's not the best position where the bus has stopped, plus you've got a lorry on the left hand side too. And yes, that horn you heard was from that car behind the bus, showing his discontent at what that guy had just done.
Fucking queue jumping scumbag.
We're just coming off the M69 towards Hinckley. And we're looking at the car in front of us. They can't decide what lane they want.
What lane do you want then?
This is Netherley Road in Hinckley, and I'll do my good deed for the day by letting this lady cross. Although it was actually stated in the highway code when it was updated a couple years ago that pedestrians do now have priority at the junctions. We're in Hinckley town centre in this clip and we're looking at piss poor forward planning. Now there is no box junction or keep clear signs at this traffic light junction, but surely common sense would tell you not to proceed, right? Well, in the case of the black car that you're about to see, that certainly wasn't the case, and they had to squeeze themselves alongside the grey car so not to block the junction. You'll see now as they try to squeeze in alongside. We're back on the Ashby Road again and we've got one for you classic car enthusiasts. We're at the junction of the M69 and A5 again, and this time we have ourselves a red light runner. As you can see, the lights up ahead are changing red. There they go.
I didn't want to stop there then, did you, mate?
We're back on Cloudesley Bush Lane again, the road that links Wolvie with Lutterworth, and the labour on the left hand side for some reason seems to attract the old fly tipping.
All fly tipping scumbags.
And yes, that's exactly what I think of them, because at the end of the day it's the council taxpayer that'll have to pay for the clean up. And to end August's compilation of dashcam driving, we have ourselves another red light runner. This is the A5 and the M69 junction once again, and as you'll see our lights go green, but the white van obviously has got other plans. There he goes like a bat out of hell. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, bye for now.